Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glue options for glass that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're repairing a broken vase, fixing a mirror, or working on a creative DIY project, we've got you covered. All the product links will be in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have the Insoya Glass Glue. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those who need strong, reliable adhesive power without breaking the bank. It features a professional-grade formula that creates ultra-strong, invisible bonds, making it ideal for repairing glass, acrylic, ceramics, and mirrors. What's unique about this glue is its fast-drying capability, setting in just 10 to 45 seconds, and fully curing within 24 hours. Plus, it dries crystal clear, ensuring no unsightly residue. The design includes precision applicator tips, making it easy to apply the glue exactly where needed, even in tight corners or intricate repairs. This is a great feature for DIYers and hobbyists working on delicate projects like jewelry or stained glass. While it boasts multi-purpose compatibility, its alpha cyanoacrylate-based formula is not suitable for polyethylene and polypropylene materials, so keep that in mind. While the Insoya glue delivers excellent performance for its price, it's not as durable under extreme conditions like high temperatures or heavy vibration as some of the higher-ranked products on this list. However, for everyday household repairs and smaller projects, it's a fantastic value. If you're on a tight budget, this is the go-to option. At number 4, we have the Leukotat 30 grams glass glue. This product stands out with its focus on strength and durability, boasting a 30% increase in bonding strength compared to standard superglues. It's specifically designed for quick drying and waterproof applications, making it an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. It sets in just 10 to 30 seconds and reaches full adhesion within 24 hours, providing a long-lasting and reliable bond for glass, acrylic, and other materials. One of the standout features of the Leukotat glue is its anti-clogging cap, which ensures that the glue remains fresh and usable even after multiple applications. The transparent formula makes it suitable for clear glass and colored surfaces alike, without leaving behind visible residue. However, the manufacturer strongly recommends wearing gloves during use, as the glue's high strength can lead to accidental skin bonding. While the Leukotat glue performs well in terms of adhesion and versatility, it doesn't come with additional precision applicator tools like some other products on this list. Still, its durability, waterproof properties, and industrial-grade strength make it a reliable option for more demanding projects like aquarium repairs or outdoor crafts. Coming in at number 3 is the Jevwu 35 grams ultra-strong clear glass glue. This heavy-duty adhesive is designed for ultra-strong, invisible bonding, making it perfect for both decorative and functional repairs. Whether you're fixing a cracked coffee mug, sealing a crystal vase, or repairing glass crafts, this glue offers exceptional strength and precision. It sets in just 30 seconds with light pressure and fully cures in 24 hours, ensuring a durable and seamless bond. The Jevwu glue also shines in its weatherproof and heat-resistant properties. It can withstand temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to +212 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. Additionally, it resists UV light, moisture, and vibrations, providing long-lasting durability. The included precision nozzles allow for accurate application, making it easy to repair small cracks and delicate items without creating a mess. On the downside, the Jevwu glue is priced at the higher end of the spectrum and doesn't offer a significant advantage over similarly priced competitors. However, its reliability, strength, and versatility make it an excellent choice for users who need high performance and precision in their adhesive solutions. In second place, we have the Glowpoint 35 grams ultra-strong clear glass glue. This adhesive is a true powerhouse, offering industrial-grade strength for tough repair jobs. It's ideal for fixing glass, mirrors, crystals, and even larger items like fish tanks and kettles. The quick setting formula allows the glue to bond in just 30 to 45 seconds, and it fully cures in 24 hours, achieving maximum strength and durability. The Glow Point glue is especially notable for its weatherproof and heat-resistant properties. It performs exceptionally well in extreme conditions, withstanding temperatures from -40 degrees Celsius to +100 degrees Celsius. This makes it a great choice for outdoor repairs or items exposed to direct sunlight and humidity. The anti-clog cap and precision applicators included in the package ensure a smooth and accurate application every time, preventing waste and mess. The only drawback to the Glow Point glue is its price point, which is on the higher side. However, considering its superior performance and resilience under challenging conditions, it's a worthwhile investment for users who need a high-performance adhesive for demanding repairs. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Haldeli Super Glue for Glass. This premium adhesive is the best all-rounder on the market, combining exceptional strength, versatility, and ease of use. Designed for industrial-grade bonding, this glue works seamlessly on glass, ceramics, acrylic, and even delicate materials like jewelry and stained glass. It sets in seconds, cures fully within 24 hours, and dries crystal clear for a professional finish. What sets the Haldeli glue apart is its unparalleled versatility. It's not just a glass glue. It's a multi-surface adhesive that can handle everything from woodworking projects to aquarium repairs. The anti-clog cap, with a built-in metal pin, ensures that the glue remains fresh and ready to use, while the precision micronozzle allows for pinpoint accuracy in application. These features make it perfect for intricate repairs and DIY projects. While the Haldeli glue is priced similarly to other premium options, its combination of strength, versatility, and user-friendly design makes it the best value for money. Whether you're a professional craftsman or a DIY enthusiast, this glue has everything you need to get the job done right. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in deciding which glass glue is right for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, let me know in the comments. I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.